Have you ever clicked Exit Steam only to find that Steam is still running in the background? Maybe the Steam window disappears, but Task Manager still shows Steam processes running. You might also see messages saying Steam is already running when you try to reopen it, or notice that your computer continues using memory and CPU resources after closing Steam. This is a surprisingly common problem that can be caused by stuck background processes, Steam services, game-related tasks, corrupted cache files, and software conflicts. The good news is that there are several simple ways to completely close Steam and prevent it from staying active in the background. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. The first thing you should do is use Steam's built-in exit option correctly. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner of the client, and select Exit. Wait at least 30 seconds before checking whether Steam has closed. Sometimes Steam needs additional time to sync cloud saves, stop background downloads, and shut down running services. If Steam closes normally, no further action is required. If Steam refuses to exit, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Under the Processes tab, look for Steam, Steam Client Bootstrapper, Steam Client Web Helper, Steam Service, and any other Steam-related processes. Select each process one at a time and click End Task. Continue until no Steam-related processes remain. This is the fastest and most reliable method for force closing Steam when it becomes unresponsive. If Steam processes immediately reappear after being closed, check whether a game is still running in the background. Sometimes a game crashes or becomes hidden while continuing to run. In Task Manager, look for any game-related processes and end them as well. Once all games are closed, try ending the Steam processes again. Another common cause is Steam downloads or cloud synchronization tasks that get stuck. Open Steam if possible and pause any active downloads. Also, wait for cloud synchronization to complete before exiting the client. Interrupted synchronization processes can occasionally prevent Steam from shutting down correctly. You should also disable unnecessary startup behavior. Open Steam settings and go to the Interface section. If you don't need Steam running automatically when Windows starts, disable Run Steam when my computer starts. This prevents Steam from relaunching automatically after you close it and makes troubleshooting easier. Corrupted cache files can also cause Steam shutdown problems. Close Steam completely if possible, then navigate to the Steam installation folder using File Explorer. For most users, this is located at C:\program files x86/Steam. Locate the app cache folder and delete it. Steam will automatically recreate the folder the next time it launches. Corrupted cache files can sometimes prevent Steam components from closing properly. Background software conflicts may also be responsible. Applications such as RGB lighting software, screen recording tools, hardware monitoring programs, overlays, and gaming utilities can interfere with Steam's shutdown process. Close unnecessary applications from Task Manager and then attempt to exit Steam again. If Steam closes normally afterward, one of those programs may be causing the problem. If Steam continues running in the background, restart the Steam client service. Press Windows+R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate Steam Client Service in the list. Right-click it and select Restart if available. This refreshes Steam's background service and can resolve shutdown issues. Outdated Steam files can also contribute to the problem. Open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner, then select Check for Steam Client Updates. Install any available updates and restart the client. Many Steam updates include bug fixes related to startup and shutdown behavior. You should also check Windows system files for corruption. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scan now, then press Enter. Windows will scan and repair damaged system files automatically. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer and test Steam again. If nothing else works, perform a clean repair of Steam. Open the Steam installation folder and keep the Steam apps folder along with steam.exe. Delete everything else inside the Steam folder. Then launch steam.exe. Steam will automatically download fresh program files while preserving your installed games. This often resolves stubborn issues that prevent Steam from closing correctly. To summarize, if Steam won't fully exit, start by using Steam's exit option and waiting for shutdown to complete. Then use Task Manager to end all Steam-related processes, check for games running in the background, pause downloads and cloud synchronization, disable unnecessary startup behavior, clear the app cache folder, close conflicting applications, restart the Steam client service, update Steam, run an SFC scan, and finally repair Steam while keeping your games. These methods will usually allow Steam to close completely and prevent it from remaining active in the background. I hope this tutorial helped you fully close Steam when it won't exit. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Steam troubleshooting guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.